That's Tara, close up.
Well, you know how it's hard for us to be friends because
She loves it.
sexual tension between them?
And this is her wedding photos. Oh, you can't see that one. And that's her living room. You can't see it. That's the living room, dining table. That's the messy kitchen. All our dirty dishes. Ew. It's the fruit bowl. That's the sink. That's the coffee maker. Some more dirty dishes. Microwave. The fridge. And that's Tara again, sitting in the lounge room. And this is the bedroom one. That's my bedroom. And that's the bathroom. Woo.